My name's Kate. I recently just completed my treatment for my varicose veins. I had quite a large lumpy one in one of my legs. I've had them for several years, as long as I can remember really. It feels like maybe 10 or 15 years. I've always put up with them and always been a little bit conscious about them, especially when going on holidays and things. And I have looked into some research about getting treatment done in the past. Obviously I've looked at NHS etc, but that's quite difficult to do nowadays. And I thought, well, why not just bite the bullet and do it? So I started doing some research only in the last 12 months, and I came across the UK Vein Clinic. I read all the Trustpilot reviews, hence why I'm posting this video now, because I think it's really important to get some real life experiences, because I was a little bit nervous about which clinic to choose, which company to go with, because I think when it's anything to do that's private and potentially around cosmetic, for example, you're a little bit nervous about which clinic to go to. Anyway, I did a lot of research and then came up with the UK Vein Clinic, made the appointment for the consultation in August 2023. That went really well. It took for about an hour. I used the Manchester branch because I'm based in the north. It was a great experience. Really talented young girl that did the scan for me, taught me through everything, made me feel comfortable. There was no discomfort whatsoever having the scan. I paid for that, and then they gave me some recommendations following the scan there and then. I spoke to the doctor. They'd shown me the scan and drawn on where the veins were. I had two types of treatment that I required. It was the foam and the heat treatment. I think both the names are on the website of the UK Vein Clinic. Anyway, with holidays and one thing of another coming up, I actually didn't have the treatment until January 2024. And I was in and out within an hour. I got the train to the appointment. I got the train back after the appointment. It went really well. The doctor was amazing, very calming. I had two nurses. They were really great, taught to me all the way through it, made me feel really comfortable. The experience was absolutely fine. There was a slight bit of discomfort, obviously, having the treatment, but it wasn't pain, and I would definitely have it again if I needed to. I had the bandages on and the compression tights for a couple of days, and then I kept the compression tights on for another couple of weeks. And when I took the bandages off after 2 days, I just couldn't believe the improvement. The huge lumpy vein that I had in one of my legs had gone. As soon as I look down now, I can't see the vein, and I just think to myself, why didn't I have it done years ago? And I think reading the Trustpilot reviews, they all pretty much say the same thing. I really wished I'd had it done in my early 30s and enjoyed all that time rather than trying to hide it on every holiday and things like that. And when I look at every picture that I ever have taken when I've got a dress on and I'm showing my legs, I'm always hiding that leg. So I'm absolutely over the moon with the treatment. The bruising's been coming and going, but it's quite subtle. And obviously with the winter that we've had, it was perfect timing to have the treatment done because I've had my legs hidden away. I'm off to a wedding tonight, so I thought I'd record the video while I'm all dressed up. I've got my legs out, I've got some fake tan on, and I'm absolutely over the moon. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to showing my legs off now. I've got quite a few friends that have got varicose veins, so I have told them about the treatment, and they couldn't even believe this type of treatment was available. So I think it's really important to do the videos, do the reviews, spread the word. I think the cost of the treatment is good for what it is. I think it's very reasonable, and I'm just over the moon that I've had it done. And thank you very much to all the team at Manchester. They made me feel really sort of welcome, really calm, and they were very, very professional. And the follow-up consultation that I've recently had was also great. And the emails and all the correspondence I've had with the admin team, that's been great as well. So thank you very much to the UK Vein Clinic. And if you're thinking about having it done and you can afford it, don't think anymore, just go and get it done. Thank you.